Window cleaning professionals. Let's dive into the lightweight innovation of the Gardiner pole systems and redefine your window cleaning experience. Less weight, more productivity. In the world of window cleaning, a mere 1.5 to 3 pounds can make all the difference. Especially at height, where precision and agility matter most, Gardiner takes the lead with its remarkable weight advantage. Cleaning a single pane with 10 to 12 strokes per window adds up. A Gardiner pole will be saving you lifting excess weight between 12 to 30 pounds per window in just an hour of work, tackling around 30 panes. The added weight could amount to an astonishing 900 pounds of lifting. That's like hoisting an entire F-150 pickup truck in added weight after only 5 hours on the glass. Gardiner has engineered a tool that prioritizes your comfort, efficiency, and well-being. It's not just a pole, it's a game changer.